guys! Welcome back to my channel. So, ang tagal ko na hindi nag-post and I actually deleted them, the previous post, because it's 2025, so it's time to rebrand. Charot. So yeah, I guess, well, ano ba? Well, wala naman naghanap sa akin, so I'm just gonna do this because sabi ko, 2025, I want to do something new and shit. So sabi ko mag-vlog tayo ulit since yung camera ko hindi ko naman nagagamit. So right now, current gagawin natin is, I'm just gonna do an unboxing dahil si Gastador. And ang aking i-unbox is this! The Hirono X Le Petit Prince. So, matagal ko naman na nakikita like yung Hirono, but I haven't really like bought anything before na ganito kalala. Then, nung lumabas ng collab, sabi ko, I wanted to buy. Then, ang hirap pala bumili nito, puta, paubusan. So, first, ito ang unang nabili, which is the other one, which is the Crow, which is, well, ito yung gusto ko. I got it naman. And then, nagkaroon ng Pop Mart here. Well, I mean, so di ba may Pop Mart sa MOA? So, nakakuha ko ng slot to buy and may restock sila ng Little Prince doon. But since bibilan ko yung friend ko, hindi ako nakabili ng set since di ko rin in-expect na may bila ko ng set. So, I only bought 2. So, I already got 2, which is The Rose and The Businessman. So, I'm happy with them naman. Kaso, parang sabi ko, I want more. And, gusto ko yung collab nila with The Little Prince. So, ayun, abangers. Hanggang sa, finally, nagka-restock sa Lazada. And, nakakuha naman ako. So, yun ang unbox natin. So, I guess, counting story time lang yun. So, siguro skip ko na yung part na unbox ko talaga. Like, tong box na to, i-ano ko na dun sa nag-unbox tayo ng maliliit. So, I'm gonna do this muna. Backstage. Charis. Charot. Okay, I'm back. Oh! Technical difficulties ang ring light. So, here it is. So excited. So, hindi ko pa siya na-open. So, a priority... Hindi, mamaya na po. I'm gonna open this first. Bitch. Paano? Oh, perfect! So, here it is. Thanks, gago. So, honestly, okay, mamaya na. So, I'm gonna open one. So, first, so, paano ba? So, left to right. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 12. So, nayan natin yung 12, since favorite number. So, mag-start na tayo. Let's go. So, honestly, the fear right now is hindi ako makakuha ng mga priorities ko. So, the current priority, since mayroon man akong Rose, so hindi ko na siya isipin. And mayroon na din akong Businessman, so that's fine. Kung hindi ko siya makuha, tapos makuha ang Secret, diba? So, ang basically, yung like, magandang scenario, walang Rose, and walang Businessman, tapos nakuha ko yung dalawang Secret, diba? Like, it's for me. Pero, ang fear is duplicates. Well, pagkaka-duplicate naman talaga if set to, tas walang secret. But ang fear is, may secret, pero wala akong Tippler. I like the Tippler kasi mukha siyang lasinggero. And wala yung Little Prince, wala yung King, wala yung Fox, wala yung Snake, wala yung Lamplighter. So, yung mga fear, yun yung fear. May secret, nagka-duplicate dalawa, tas wala yung ilan na na-mention ko. So, let's start open one. Shut! Take it out! Oh my god. Oh my god. Woo! So, let's go. The first one. Ayoko sirain yung box. How can I na hindi masisira yung box? Ayun. Oh. Parang masisira ata talaga. Ay, charot. Okay, game. Ay! Lumalabas yung card. Hindi pwede makita yung card. Okay. Game. I'm not gonna... Honestly, naman ba... I don't know. Masama lang ako. Like, natatawa ako pag ginagano nila. Like, yung box. So, I unbox. So, okay. Let's go. I'm not gonna, like, squish it. I don't wanna feel it. So, let's go. So, makuha ko naman sila lahat. But feeling ko yung businessman na naman to. Ah! The Conceited Man! Na-memorize ko na siya since like ko siya tinitignan. Okay, so one down. No duplicates yet. Hala, wala akong trash area. So, Conceited Man, down. So, if you hear that, that's like the aming, ano tawag na? Ano yung movie? The Purge. Kasi pag 10, it's, ano na? Ano tawag doon? Curfew. If narinig siya sa mic, I don't even know if narinig siya. So next, number 4. Since birth month. Let's go. The Conceited Man, down. Dapat kumuha ko like ng plastic para... Oh. Oh. Yeah, let's go. I don't wanna like look at it. Okay, mabilisan lang to. What is it? Oh, the rose again! So I have a duplicate already. So one duplicate. So bibigay ko na lang siguro to. So may duplicate na. So walang secret. Chat! Stress ako. What if walang secret? What if set lang talaga to? So magsasort ako from 1 to whatever. So, I gave. I gave. The fox! Ah! Ang cute talaga ng fox! I like the fox kasi he's orange. And I really like orange. Dito pala dapat ako tumitingin. Ba't nakatingin ako sa viewfinder? So yeah, it's so cute! Tapos yung eye. Look at, nagpa-focus ba? Like, can you focus? Focus on me, bitch. Ganyan. So cute! Look at the eyes! Ang cute ng fox. Okay, so put it back in the box. Nagmamadali ako kasi I have a shift in an hour. Kaya, kating-kating ako buksan to. Oh no, nasira ko yung box. Kaya ko masira yung box eh. Fucking hell. Okay. Ano ba? Ay niya matanggal. Okay. This is... What the fuck is this? The king! Oh no, ang cute ng king! I love the gingers. Grabe, ang cute ng king. Hala, yung crown niya, pota. Feeling ko malalaglag to. Sama ko nito back in the box. Cutie naman! I'm so happy, grabe. I love this purchase. I'm so happy with this purchase. Like, okay, game. No secret yet. 4 na yung nabuksan ko. Bitch! Ayoko makita yung stomp. Again. The snake! Oh! Parang nakukuha ko lahat. Like, most of lahat ng sinabi ko, I am getting it so far. Ang cute niya! The yellow and the blue. So cute. Okay, let's put it back. So we have 7 left. 7 left. Let's go. Again. Wala pa rin yung Tipler. Yun na lang ata. Yung Little Prince. Hindi ko pala ako. This. The Lamplighter! Ang galing ko. Parang na-manifest ko lahat. Well, except yung sa Conceited Man. But like, the rest, apart from that, sunod-sunod siya yung mga sinabi ko. The Lamplighter. Ang cute niya! It's giving... Kasi parang siyang si Glinda. Like, kasi may ganun siya. May staff. Which is the lamp. Like, it's Glinda! Ay, focus. Glinda! Let's go. Shit, yung card baka mapipi. I just realized that. Okay, next. Sabi ko 2 minutes per box. But parang hindi siya nasusunod. So next. Wala pang secret so far. Fuck, hindi yung secret. Since brown yung card na secret. Ito hindi brown yung card. So what's this? Tagal ng Little Prince. Ito na yung Tippler. Oh! Ano Tippler? Ah! Cute gago! Look! Oh my god! Fucking focus. Like, girl. Fuck! It's so cute! Lasing na siya. So, happy with this. And actually, bumili din ako like, no. I bought, ang blur, nakakainis. I bought an acrylic case then for it. So, next. White din yung card, so it's not a secret. Oh, lagot ako ng secret. But, it's fine. Here is the merchant, the drug addict. Kasi may pills. Ang cute neto kasi like, natatanggal yun, na-open yun likod. Like, oosh, oosh, oosh. Like, put it back. And may pills. It's like, drugs. Hello? Should I be saying that? Like, I'm just making vids for fun, not necessarily. So, actually, kaya I wanted to film this. And I wanted to go back to vlogging again. Kasi, I posted, like, unboxing ng mga ganito sa IG ko. Tapos, I mean, that's conceited. So, I guess, kaya conceited na yung una ko nakuha. But, like, wala lang, ang cute ko, well, I mean, ang saya ko na nakikita ko yung sarili kong masaya, ganun. So, kaya, I wanna go back to vlogging to see myself. So, what's this? Oh no! The businessman. I feel like wala tong secret, which is fine. The businessman. Dalawa na yung duplicate. So far, wala pa yung Little Prince. If wala yung Little Prince, tapos nakuha ko yung secret na Little Prince, I think it's fine. Tatlo na lang! Oh my gosh. Only 3 left. My god! Oh. Sige. Tagal yung Little Prince. I don't know kung anong kulang. Hindi pa nalabas. Ooh! The cutie one! The geographer. Ang cute ka ng geographer. Okay. Wala talagang secret. Ang ina, wala talagang secret. Ang damot naman ng Pop-Mart. Okay, next. I didn't see that. Okay. What the fuck? The Switchman! Okay. The Switchman. Okay. So, wala talagang secret! Oh! Didn't get a secret. But that's fine. So, ito na yung Little Prince. So, it's this one. Oh, ito. Yeah, it's the Little Prince. White yung card. The Little Prince! So cute! Okay, so I'm happy with it. Ang cute talaga na po. I'm happy kahit wala naman secret. I didn't like expect anything. I expect talaga ako. But like, if it's not for me, it's not for me, diba? So yeah. I'm gonna put it somewhere here. Na nakalagay na siya sa acrylic case. And I guess thank you so much for watching. I mean, may sasabihin pa ba ako? I mean, nobody knows me. So like, why would I even like, ito closing remarks. But yeah, I'm gonna try to post more this year kasi gusto ko din mag-travel a lot. So that's the plan. Well, hopefully, matuloy ko. Di ko alam kung kailan ko ito may edit eh. Walang secret! Walang secret! But I have duplicates. I guess I'm gonna give that. If ever. But yeah. Yun lang yun. Ano oras na? May 50 minutes pa ako until work. Ang bilis ko mag-unbox na phone. Like, I'll show you the mess sa side. But yeah. So I guess yes. Wait. Fuck. So yeah, I guess thank you so much for watching. Magpo-post. I'm gonna try to post more. And I guess if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe and follow me sa aking socials in the description below. Description down below. Oh my gosh. Okay. So description below. And yeah. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye!